What's up YouTube, FlexF AVK, another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. And as you can see here today, we have two boxes and we're going to be doing a double NG models unboxing. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm not sure which model should be in here, but we'll find out. Bunch of packing peanuts and also a thank you message for ordering. This is the Hawaiian Airlines Dreamliner 787. Looks like a great model. I've seen it already on Instagram, but glad to finally have it here. Put these packing peanuts away, and here's the plane, nicely wrapped in bubble wrap. And let's take this out. Alright, so as you can see, we have the box. And it just says, let me get a better angle really quick. There we go. Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. The computer generated image of the model. Hawaiian Airlines logo. And also the registration, November 780 Hotel Alpha. And NG models in 1/400 scale. The box art is really nice for this model. And then we have the Hawaiian Airlines logo again on the side, along with the NG logo. And the rest is pretty much the same. So now let's get into the model. First glance, looks great. Let me just carefully take this out, and there she is. Hawaiian's always had a great livery, and it looks amazing on the Dreamliner. So let me just get this angled right here. Lower this, and let's move this over here. I'll let you guys look at the left side of the aircraft while I put the box away, and I'll also put the flight trader facts right here for you guys. Alright, so to start off, on the aircraft, we have the cockpit windows and nose cone detailed on the front. I don't know if it's visible on the camera, but it is there. Yeah, it's visible. And at the front, it says Boeing 787-9 Dreamliner. We got the landing gear doors right there. It says E-tops and the nose gear. L1 door. And some text right there that I can't really read. Hawaiian titles. L2 door. We have landing lights right here, and also our engine. And we have like Hawaiian flowers around the whole plane. And then right here on the tip of the wing, we have the red navigation light. At the end, in the back, we have the Dreamliner logo and the registration again, November 780 Hotel Alpha, and the beautiful Hawaiian tail logo, which is right here. And let's move it to the back side. You guys can see the APU detailed on the back and the amazing wings that look perfectly aligned. And then as we move to the right side, it's pretty much the same. Landing lights right here, but except we have a green navigation light right here. I don't know if it's visible on camera, maybe a tiny bit. And then at the front, we have the cargo luggage doors right here, and also right here in the back. As we move to the front of the aircraft, we have the cockpit windows right there, and as you can see, we have the windshield wipers detailed right there, and also the nose cone right here in the front. And you guys can see, let me lower this a bit, you guys can see how well this aircraft looks. Here's a bird's eye view. Looks great. And let's get a bottom view. Try to be careful. And we have the landing gear, stand hole. Delivery continues on the bottom of the aircraft. And we also have the front landing gear. So overall, this aircraft is great. So now let's get into the Copa 737. That's been long awaited. Let me just adjust my camera really quick. And get this aircraft down. Let me just open this off camera so there's more space to open it. And let's get this open. Another thank you note. And also a bunch of packing peanuts. And as you can see, the aircraft is right there. Let me just take this out of the box. I'm really glad that DG Pilot took the time to package the aircraft very good, along with bubble wrap and packing peanuts, because sometimes different retailers just don't really package them well, and that leads to models breaking, which is always a headache. So yeah, shout out to DG Pilot. And here we have the box. Glad to have a Copa 737 with splits. So at the top of the box, it just says Boeing 737-800, computer generated image of the model, Copa Airlines titles, and the registration, Hotel Papa-1838 Charlie Mike Papa, and the NG logo. It looks like the airlines, Copa Airlines titles in the background right here, along with like a tail concept. And here we have the side views of the box and the back view. So now let's get into the model. Let's get this open. There's the model. Very similar to United Airlines' old livery, but I really like Copa Airlines because it's from Panama, a country in Latino America, and the tail is also really unique. So as I put the box away, I'll let you guys look at the left side of the aircraft, and I'll also put the flight radar facts right here for you guys. Let me just get a better angle so you guys can see it. Right there should be good. Okay, so to start off the review, we have the cockpit windows right here at the front. Nose cone detailed right there, Star Alliance logo, L1 door, red antenna at the bottom right there, landing gear doors, nose gear, Copa Airlines titles, landing lights, double overwing exits, and then right here we have the really well designed split scimitars. I don't know if I can zoom in on them specifically, but they look really good. And then we also have the rear navigation light on this side, which is sort of visible on camera. And then in the back we have the registration again, Hotel Papa-1838 Charlie Mike Papa, along with the Panamanian flag, and also the beautiful Copa Airlines tail. And here's the back view. You guys can see the APU details right here on the back. We have the double overwing exit patterns right there too, and you guys can get a better view of the landing gear. So here's the right side of the aircraft, pretty much the same as always, except we have front cargo luggage doors right there, and also one right here in the back, and this side has a green navigation light. So overall, it's a well-detailed model. And let's move to the front view. You guys can see the cockpit windows with the windshield wipers detailed right there, and also the landing gear, which look a bit wrinkle. I don't know what happened there. And here's an overview of the aircraft, a bird's eye view. Looks really well detailed. And then let's get a bottom view. Landing gear, and the landing gear holes where they would be during takeoff. And yeah, it looks great. I really like the red, and I really like that NG's mold has the red antennas, really nicely detailed. And also you guys can see the CFM engines for the 737. So let's get the Hawaiian Dreamliner back in the mix. And overall, these two are great models. I really like both of them. I recommend picking them up because Hawaiian's about to release the 787 into their fleet, and also Copa's 737 with splits, which we finally have a model of, which is great. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. As always, please like and subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and stay tuned for more. Thank you.